Welcome, I'm Liam. Let's start learning. Let's go. Hi, Liam. Are you free today? Hi, Emma. Yes, I am. I need to go to the supermarket. Can I come with you? Of course. Let's go together. Do you have a shopping bag? Yes, I brought one. Great! Let's leave now. I'm ready. The supermarket is nearby. We can walk there. The weather is nice today. Yes, it's perfect. Here we are. The supermarket looks busy. Many people are shopping. Let's get a cart. Good idea. Follow me. First, we need some vegetables. I see fresh tomatoes. Let's buy some tomatoes. We also need onions. Don't forget potatoes. They look fresh. Put them in the cart. Done. Anything else? Let's get some carrots. Now let's buy fruits. These apples look nice. I'll take 6 apples. Bananas are fresh too. Let's buy a dozen bananas. How about oranges? Yes, we need some. I'll put them in the cart. Thank you. You're welcome. We also need milk. The dairy section is over there. Let's go. Which milk do you want? I'll take 2 bottles. Do we need cheese? Yes, just 1 pack. Okay. I'll take 2 bottles. Do we need cheese? Yes, just 1 pack. Okay. We also need eggs. I'll get a dozen. Let's buy bread. White or brown? We also need eggs. I'll get a dozen. Let's buy bread. White or brown? Brown bread, please. Here it is. We also need butter. I found it. Great! Anything for breakfast? Let's buy some cereal. Good choice. Do we need snacks? Yes, let's buy some biscuits. I like chocolate biscuits. Me too. Do we need snacks? Yes, let's buy some biscuits. I like chocolate biscuits. Me too. Let's get 1 packet. How about juice? Apple juice is fine. I'll take 1 bottle. Thank you. My pleasure. I think we're almost done. Let's check the list. Did we buy rice? Oh, not yet. Let's get 1 bag. Here it is. Now we're done. Let's go to the cashier. The line isn't long. That's good.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $50.
I'll pay by card.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. That was easy. Yes, shopping was fun. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome.
Let's go home.
I'll carry the bags.
That's very kind of you.
See you again soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.